In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Klarna on Steam, easy, 5 minutes. Before we jump in, make sure you can sign into your Klarna account and that you have access to the Klarna app or the web version. Availability and payment options can vary by country and by your spending limit, so it's a good idea to check your Klarna account status first. Start by opening Klarna and signing in. From the home screen, look for the shop section. This is Klarna's built-in browser that lets you shop at partnered stores while using Klarna to pay. Next, open the store directory to see the full list of supported retailers. In the search bar, type Steam, then select the result labeled Steam Games. This will load Steam within Klarna so you can continue without leaving the app. Now start shopping directly in the Klarna app. Browse for the game, DLC, or wallet top-up you want. When you're ready, go to checkout. If Klarna is presented as a payment option there, choose Pay with Klarna. You'll see the available plans, such as paying in full now or splitting the purchase into installments. Review the terms, confirm your selection, and follow the prompts to complete the purchase. Klarna will handle the payment while you get your Steam content as usual. If you don't see a direct Klarna button during checkout, there's another built-in option. Klarna can generate a one-time virtual card you can use just like a standard Visa card on Steam. Create the virtual card in the Klarna interface, then copy the card number, expiration date, and security code. Back on Steam's payment screen, choose credit or debit card, paste the virtual card details, and enter the billing address exactly as it appears in Klarna to avoid declines. Submit the payment, and Klarna will process it behind the scenes, while Steam treats it like any normal card purchase. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure your region and currency in Steam match what you see in Klarna. Double check your spending limit and available balance. And complete the purchase before the virtual card expires, since those cards are time limited. After checkout, you should receive confirmations from both Steam and Klarna. You can track your payment plan, due dates, and notifications in the Klarna app under your orders. And that's it. By shopping through Klarna's directory, and either choosing Pay with Klarna at checkout or using a Klarna virtual card, you can pay for Steam purchases quickly and securely. Thanks for watching and enjoy your game time.